Hey, so thanks for joining me. Listen, I just bought this heater, this little space heater for a room upstairs, a smaller room. And believe it or not, I was able to bring it down here into our bedroom and it actually heats. I'll put it on a few minutes before we're going to bed because for some reason our bedroom, and look, you guys, I can show you this, like it's a pretty big size bedroom. And for some reason our bedroom just doesn't get quite as warm. It's an older home. It doesn't get quite as warm when the heat is on, right? Anyway, got this space heater. You guys, I gotta tell you, really heats this whole space. So when I come to bed, I can just turn it off and there's a chill off the bedroom, which is so nice. Like it just is a nice, warm, cozy place to crawl into bed and go to bed. So all that to say, the space heater is safe. It's safe to the touch. It doesn't get hot. It has an automatic shut off if it gets rocky or knocked around at all. It's aesthetically pleasing. It is white. Hold on, I'm gonna get it for you. So check it out. It is beautiful, right? It's got these wonderful bamboo legs. It's like an off-white. Again, simple, easy, highly recommended. 5 stars. Get one.
And Joe have to be sitting there, and basically they say, these two people screwed everything up, and I'm going to start today, and we're going to fix it. And then he spent all the other side of each other. Do you think Joe Biden could have kept this schedule? He said, oh, I've been watching it on TV. Hey, why? These things one of the greatest men ever to walk the earth. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not wrong. This it's a travesty. This people's heads is we should put the games in the day. Well, they tried, but they failed. Yes, they failed. The American people are dead. All right, so you.
This little heater is really putting out warmth. I've been keeping it on the floor here, but I wanted to show it to you. It's very small, very cute. And this is the room. Not huge, but absolutely bearable now that I have the little heater. Thank you. I love it.
This room is fairly big and it's heating up the whole room.